Yeah, window shoppers. They never buy. They never buy. They look around and they don't go. This is only regarding their buying. But if you are a window shopper, you are here only just to see the ambience and to see the boys or girls. If you're not a window shopper, you are here to learn. Are you clear? Yeah, yes, I'm sure. I don't ask questions because the time is very limited. Time has been given to me. Dabblers used to be a little bit here and little bit there. They're always incomplete in life, education, and relationships. Dabblers are always incomplete in life. I will speak to you in Telugu also, no problem. And education. They never take anything serious. Any dabblerist is here? I'm sure no dabblerist is here. Then coming to the third one, fanatic. They never listen at all. Even chemistry teachers teach us chemistry, they don't listen. They worship only one opinion, they worship only their opinion. They can't appreciate others' opinion. Fanatic is wild. They are lazy. We are all lazy. That's only one of the ingredients of the laziness. And if you are lazy, don't say that you are a fanatic. And they're afraid of change. Fanatics are afraid of change. If you're moving from 2-bedroom to 5-bedroom, that gives a lot of facility, they can't appreciate that change. And for them, change is equal to defeat. For them, learning is also difficult. Then coming to the fourth category, a warrior. A warrior is one who will not stop until he reaches his destination. Warrior and Yodudu. Yodudu, ఆయన అనుకున్న గమ్యం చేరే వరకు విశ్రమించడు. Are you clear? A warrior is one who will not stop until he reaches his destination. How many of your warriors raise your hand? All warriors, please stand up for a while. Please stand up. All warriors. Quick, please. You will be missing. You have to be active. Say, I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior. With 2 hands, I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior. Thank you. When you said warrior, you can do anything. Friends, see for character. Be a worthy example to others. Practice whatever you preach and preach whatever you practice. I will give a small example. Mahatma Gandhi గారి దగ్గరికి ఒక అమ్మ తల్లి వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయిని తీసుకెళ్ళింది. బాపూజీ మా అబ్బాయి చాలా తీపి తింటున్నాడు, మీరు చెప్తే వాడు వింటాడు, నేను చెప్పినా మా ఆయన చెప్పినా వింటలేదంటే సరే గాంధీ గారు అంటారు, మీలో కొంతమంది తెలిసి ఉండొచ్చు, అమ్మ మీ అబ్బాయిని నెక్స్ట్ డే తీసుకురమ్మా అని చెప్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ డే తీసుకొస్తారు. 7 రోజులు పోయిన తర్వాత 8వ రోజు గాంధీ గారు ఏం చెప్తారంటే, బాబు తీపి తినడం మంచిది కాదు మానే అంటాడు. తల్లి అడుగుతుంది, బాపూజీ ఇది మీరు మొదటి రోజే చెప్పొచ్చు కదా, నాకు 7 రోజులు రావడం చాలా కష్టమైందని చెప్తే గాంధీ గారు ఏం చెప్తారు, అమ్మ నువ్వు వస్తున్నప్పుడు నేను కూడా తీపి తింటున్నాను, నేను తీపి మానేయడానికి 7 రోజులు పట్టింది, నేను తీపి మానేసిన తర్వాతే అబ్బాయికి చెప్పాను. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? Yes, whatever you preach, you have to practice. Whatever you practice, you have to preach. మన పొలిటీషియన్స్ అందరూ ఇట్లా ఉంటే మనది ఎక్సలెంట్ కంట్రీ అయిపోయింది అనమాట. ఓకే. Everybody knows if your wealth is lost, nothing is lost, health is lost, something is lost, character is lost, everything is lost. There are another 4 types of categories. తమ కార్యము పరిత్యజించు పరహితార్థ ప్రాపకులు సజ్జనులు, తమ కార్యము ఘటించుచుని పరహితార్థ వ్యాపృతులు మధ్యములు, తమకై అన్యహితార్థ ఘాతుక జనులు దైత్యులు, హృదయార్థ భంగంబు గావించేది వారు ఎవరో ఎరిగిన సఖ్యమే. నా పనిని వదిలిపెట్టి అవతల వాళ్ళకి సేవ చేసేవారు సజ్జనులు. మహాత్మా గాంధీ, వినోబా భావే, మార్టిన్ లూథర్ కింగ్, మదర్ తెరీసా. సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ, నా ఇండస్ట్రీ నేను చూసుకుంటూ సేవ చేయడం, మీరు చదువుకుంటూ సేవ చేయడం, ప్రొఫెషనల్ ఉద్యోగం చేస్తూ సేవ చేయడం. దేర్ ఆర్ సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ పీపుల్. థర్డ్ కేటగిరీ ఎవరు? మన కోసం అవతల వాళ్ళ యొక్క పని పాటు చేసేవారు. పీపుల్ హూ యూస్ టు స్పాయిల్స్ అదర్స్ వర్క్స్ ఫర్ దర్ ఓన్ సేక్, దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ థర్డ్ కేటగిరీ, రాక్షసాస్, విలన్స్. ఫోర్త్ కేటగిరీ, వాడికి లాభం లేకపోయినా వాడు పని పాటు చేస్తాడు, వాడికి ఏం పేరు పెట్టాలో మనకు తెలియదు. మీ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ పీపుల్ వరకు కాదు అవడం వరకు. మీకు థర్డ్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ కేటగిరీ పీపుల్ మీకు తారసపడితే యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ దెమ్ ది సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ పీపుల్, అదర్వైజ్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఎ బిగ్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ దిస్ కంట్రీ అండ్ వరల్డ్. Okay. Then coming to honesty gives confidence, gives good credit rating. Honesty, truth, sincerity, moral, good characters are interrelated. If you are married, be honest to your wife. If you are married, be honest to your spouse. If you are married, And be honest towards your parents, be honest towards your family members, be honest towards your customers, be honest towards your employees, be honest towards your employees, be honest towards friends. Can you tell me what is the best one? Be honest towards yourself. Exactly. Give them a big hand. Yes, madam. If you're honest towards yourself, everything covers. You know, you don't cheat yourself. That is very important, my dear friends. I think 3 days back, somebody spoke about attitude is everything. How many of you seen iceberg? Titanic picture lo chusaru kada iceberg. How much of the iceberg is visible? Enta kanipistundi iceberg? Only 10% of the iceberg is visible. 90% of the iceberg is in the sea level, under the sea. You may be more knowledgeable. You may have excellent skills. You may be very hardworking. There's only 10%. Your attitude is 90%, my dear friends. If you give value to each alphabet, you know, A to 1 and Z to 26, A ko 26 kiste, skills comes 82%, knowledge comes 96%, you know, hard work comes 98%, and attitude comes 100%. So once you go back to the house, you can calculate. Always have can-do attitude. Always have can-do attitude. Don't have can't-do attitude. Are you clear? Never feel that you can't. Yeah, I will make, right sometimes. How many of you know about Honda, a car manufacturer? He invented a new carburetor. A kotta carburetor కనిపెట్టాడు ఆయన. ఆయన Toyota కంపెనీకి ఆఫర్ చేశాడు. ఆ డిజైన్ 12 times వాళ్ళు రిజెక్ట్ చేశారు. Only 13th time they have accepted his design. ఈయన ఒక ఫ్యాక్టరీ కట్టాడు ఈ పిస్టన్స్ తయారు చేయడానికి. You know, Japan is famous for earthquakes. ఆ ఫ్యాక్టరీ కొలాప్స్ అయిపోయింది ఎర్త్క్వేక్ వల్ల. ఆయన నిరాశ చెందలేదు. మళ్ళా ఫ్యాక్టరీ కట్టాడు సెకండ్ టైం. అగైన్ సెకండ్ వరల్డ్ వార్ ఆ ఫ్యాక్టరీ కొలాప్స్ అయిపోయింది. అగైన్ హీ కన్స్ట్రక్టెడ్ ది ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఫర్ ది థర్డ్ టైం. And today he may be selling more cars than Toyota or at par with Toyota. ఇవాళ ఆయన టొయోటా కంటే ఎక్కువగా అమ్ముతుండొచ్చు, అది ఈక్వల్గా అమ్ముతుండొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ యాటిట్యూడ్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. అబ్దర్ ఏష్, మీరు ఎంతమంది తెలుసు నాకు తెలియదు. హీ ఈస్ ది ఫస్ట్ బ్లాక్ మ్యాన్ టు విన్ ది వింబుల్డన్. There are 4 Grand Slams, you know, Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon and US Open. This most valuable. దురదృష్టంగా ఆయనకి హెచ్ఐవి ఎయిడ్స్ వచ్చింది ఆపరేషన్లో. Then he got thousands and thousands of fans. They have written a letter. One letter said that, my dear Ash, why God is so cruel towards you? Then there are crores and crores of people are there in this world. Why God has given the HIV AIDS only to you? ప్రపంచంలో ఇన్ని కోట్ల మంది ఉంటే నీకే భగవంతుడు ఎందుకు HIV AIDS ఇచ్చాను అని అడిగితే ఏష్ ఏం చెప్తాడంటే, my dear friend, there are 5 crores of children playing tennis. 50 lakh people are playing tennis. 5 lakh people are playing good tennis. Only 50 people are playing Grand Slams. When I won the Wimbledon, I have never asked God, why you made me the winner of Wimbledon? నేను వింబుల్డన్ గెలిచినప్పుడు భగవంతుడా నన్ను ఎందుకు వింబుల్డన్ గెలిపించావని నన్ను అడగలేదు. టుడే if I can get the HIV AIDS, I don't ask God why he has given me the HIV AIDS. Yes, what an excellent attitude, my dear friends. Life is full of ups and downs. You know about, Apple man, Steve Jobs. He was supposed to declare the insolvency, but what people said, don't feel sorry if you fell down. Feel sorry if you don't come up. నువ్వు పడిపోయినందుకు బాధపడద్దు, తిరిగి లేవకపోతే బాధపడాలి. ఆయన ఏం చేశాడు? ఐఫోన్స్, ఐపాడ్స్, ఐప్యాడ్స్. టుడే Apple company is the second largest in Fortune 500 companies in the world with $453 million marketability. That is attitude, my dear friends. Yeah, happiness keeps you sweet, praise keeps you strong, sorrow keeps you human, failures keeps you humble, success keeps you going, but only faith and attitude keeps you going. What about Ramalinga Raju? He got 2 faces for the coin. One face, he has adopted 250 villages. GMR గారు కూడా అంత సోషల్ వర్క్ చేయలేదు. ఈయన 250 villages చేసుకున్నాడు. But what happened? He was sitting with Bill Clinton for 40 minutes. నేను వెళ్ళాను ఆ మీటింగ్లో. But he was greedy of position. He is not greedy of money. Never be greedy of position. Never be greedy of money. Because he was sitting with Bill Clinton for 40 minutes and he was behind the boss for 4 years. See this girl? No hands. But she's an excellent painter. That is the attitude, motivation. You know, Mr. Gampa Nageshwara Rao, you know how difficult for us to get people. He's arranging so many speakers. You know, motivation. Nageshwara Rao is motivating people to attend. Yes, నేను ఫ్యాక్టరీలో చాలాసార్లు చేశాను. 50-100 మంది కంటే ఎవరు రాలేదు. నేనే కాలేజెస్కి వెళ్తున్నాను. ఒక విషయం చెప్తాను, దో ఇట్స్ నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు మోటివేషన్. ఐ థింక్ వేమగంటి has touched. Never wait for an opportunity. Create your own opportunity. నేను నాగేశ్వరరావుకి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను, నాకు 10 నిమిషాలు ఏమన్నాయి బాబు అని చెప్పి. Yes, you have to create your own opportunity, my dear friends. And motivation is a wonderful word, and it's a magic word. It makes inactive to active, inspires people. It makes the impossible to possible. I'm sorry, I thought of asking you the best. Best is self-motivation. Your parents may motivate you, teachers may motivate you, friends may motivate you, but they are not going to be with you throughout your lifetime. జీవితాంతం నీతో వాళ్ళందరూ, నీతో ఉండేదేంటి నువ్వే. So if you know the technique of self-motivation, you can become a champion and reach your goals, my dear friends. Then perseverance, పట్టుదల. చూడండి, పక్షి గూడు పెడుతుంది. మనం మంచోళం కాదు కదా, ఆ గూడుని తీసేస్తాం. గాలి వచ్చి గూడు కొట్టుకుపోద్ది. ఎన్ని అవాంతరాలు వచ్చినా పిల్లలు పెట్టి గుడ్లు పెట్టి ఎదిగే వరకు తన పట్టుదల వదిలిపెట్టదు. Yeah, how many of you know about KFC outlet? Colonel Sanders. KFC outlets తెలిసినా? తెలీదు, no problem. Colonel Sanders, at the age of 63, he invented a new chicken, spicy outside, inside, and juicy outside. Juicy inside or spicy outside. నేను తినను కాబట్టి నాకు తెలీదు. Then he offered the new chicken to one restaurant. They are rejected. 5 restaurants rejected. 500 restaurants rejected. 1000 restaurants rejected. Only 1008th restaurant has accepted his new chicken. Today, KFC outlets are there throughout the world. If he would have stopped at 1007, he would have become a failure. What I said, a warrior is one who will not stop until he reaches his destination. Are you clear? That's the perseverance, my dear friends. And then coming to another great man, Abraham Lincoln. At the age of 14, he lost his grandmother, mother. At the age of 24, he lost his wife. At the age of 28, he lost his son. At 31, he lost the job. At 35, he got nervous breakdown. At 41, he lost in the senator election. At 46, he lost vice president's opportunity. If you can see the life history of Abraham Lincoln, everything is a failure. But at the age of 51, he became the president of the United States of America. That's very important, my dear friends. Yeah. Innovation. I don't like to talk about Graham Bell, Wright brothers, Newton, James Watt, Thomas Edison, all these people. If I talk about them, you feel it's very difficult to become a scientist like that. But I will talk to you about the contemporary innovators. Who are Larry Page and Seth Win? Any idea? Wonderful. Google. They started Google at the age of 23. They became big threat to Microsoft. You know, wonderful. This is, I read in an article. The Google's CEO is getting $26 million as the salary. If you get a job in Google's, you have to pay for 18 interviews. Google's gives good salary. Microsoft, they squeeze us. They don't give good salary. Chad Harley, Steve Chen, and Javed Karim, they are 3 people. They have constructed YouTube. Mr. Vemganti was referring about YouTube. They sold that YouTube to Google's company for 6,600 crores. Each fellow became a man of 2,200 crores before touching 24. That is innovation, my dear friends. Yeah, Mark Zuckerberg. Who is Mark Zuckerberg? How many of you are in Facebook? That's good. There's nothing wrong in being in Facebook. It's up to you to use it, Facebook. There are good and bad everywhere. Yeah, friends. And Mark Zuckerberg. When I was talking about Mark Zuckerberg 5 years back, only 1 crore 80 lakh people were there. Last year, 45 crore people are there. Today, 100 crore people are there. You know, last year, his net asset value, when he's the first man to enter the Forbes list of rich people, Forbes, Forbes list of rich people, with 7,400 crores. Last year, his net asset value was $8 billion, 40,000 crores. In March, he became the richest man in the world for some time before he married his Chinese girlfriend at the age of 29. Yeah, Mark Zuckerberg. What a great technology. 100 crores. If you type one name and just give a click, after 100 crores, you will get information within seconds. That is the technology of, I have seen his office. That's great. Who is Sabir Bhatia? Fine. Why I'm talking about Sabir Bhatia? He has introduced a free email system. Earlier you had to pay something if you give an email. Shabir Bhatia has introduced a free email system and sold the hotmail.com to Microsoft for 1,400 crores. That is innovation. B.G. Mahesh, an ordinary IT employee. When he was in US, every day when he goes back to the house, he has constructed a website, indiainfo.com. So, వాళ్ళ తల్లిదండ్రులు బాగోపోతే వెనక్కి రావాల్సి వచ్చింది. సో ఆయన ఏం చేశాడు, ఆ వెబ్సైట్ నమ్ముదాం అనుకుంటే 25 lakhs వస్తుందంటే he sold 50% of his website for 300 crores. మన తెలుగానికి అమ్మారు, తర్వాత కంపెనీ పోయింది అనుకుంటే that's different thing. That is, my dear friends, innovation. I request you one thing, all young people, please have a website. I was conducting a goal setting program. 8th class అబ్బాయి అన్నాడు, నేను ఇదే చెప్పాను, మీరందరూ కూడా వెబ్సైట్స్ పెట్టుకోండి అంటే అబ్బాయి చేయొచ్చాడు. నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావంటే ఇండియన్ మైథాలజీ. You can construct a website on your family, on your school, on your college, on your city. Sometimes you may get the money, sometimes you may not get the money. That's not the problem. That's, nowadays, as said by Mr. Venuganti, Google's, Wikipedia, everything is there. The former chairman of Watson Business School, earlier Harvard Business School was the best business school, then Watson Business School became the best business school. He was the former chairman. He has written a book, Winners Never Cheat Even in Difficult Times. You're all studying, you're all MBA graduates, engineering graduates. I don't know how many of you have read Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish, written by Rashmi Bansal, about 25 IIM Ahmedabad people. And she has written another book, connecting the dots about 20 successful people without MBA. MBA to successful avachchu, MBA lekaponi parvaledu. There are many people who become successful without any education, my dear friends. Walt Disney. Somebody said about Walt Disney. ఆయన ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేసిన ఏమన్నాడు, బాబు నువ్వు క్లర్క్ కూడా పనికిరావు అన్నాడు. But he became a world-class designer, that's creator, that's Walt Disney. Yeah, be innovative in your thinking. Be innovative in your actions. Be innovative in setting your own goals. And be innovative in planning. Be innovative in implementing the project. Be innovative in your approach. Be innovative in your communication. Be innovative in your speaking. And be innovative in every action of yours. The world is full of competition. If you are innovative, you can be a successful man and become a champion, my dear friends. Yeah. Optimism. If I show you exactly 50% of the water in this glass, if I ask you how much water is there, people say 50% is full, they're all optimists, asavadlu. People say 50% is vacant, they're all pessimists, nirasavadlu. Then there is no job, people are living with an optimism that they will get job next day. Then there is no turnovers, people are living with an optimism that they will get turnovers next day. Then there is no food, people are living with an optimism that they will get food next day. Always be optimistic, my dear friends. And then coming to Yan, never say no. If it's a song, sing it. If it's a game, play it. If it's a dance, dance it. If it's a work, do it. And if it is a seminar, participate it. And if it is an assignment, fulfill it. And if it is a challenge, accept it, man. So we'll become a champion. Would you like to become champions? Say yes or no. Yes. All champions, please stand. Say, I'm a champion. I'm a champion. I'm an achiever. I'm an achiever. I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior. Are you prepared to do anything to become a champion and reach your goal? Put your hand like this. I'm prepared to do anything positively, legally, ethically, to become a champion and reach my goals. నేను ఛాంపియన్ అయి గోల్స్ రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి న్యాయబద్ధమైన, నీతిబద్ధమైన, ఆశాబద్ధమైన ఏ పని చేయడానికైనా సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను. I don't know how many of you have seen this. The 4 candles. The 4 candles burn slowly. The other ones are so soft that you can hear them talking. The first candle said, I'm peace. నేను పీస్ని కానీ నేను ఆఖరికి నిలబడేనని చెప్పి ఆ క్యాండిల్ ఆరిపోతుంది. సెకండ్ క్యాండిల్ ఏం చెప్తుంది? ఐఎమ్ ఫెయిత్, నేను నమ్మకాన్ని. అయినా నేను ఆఖరి ఉండలేని చెప్పి ఆ క్యాండిల్ కూడా ఆగిపోతుంది. సో థర్డ్ క్యాండిల్ ఏం చెప్తుంది, నేను ప్రేమని, నా దగ్గర ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా నన్ను ప్రేమించరు, నేను ఆఖరి వరకు నిలబడని ఆరిపోద్ది. దెన్ suddenly a child enters the room and sees 3 candles are not burning. Why are you not burning? You are supposed to stay lit till the end. Saying this, the child begins to cry. Then the 4th candle said, don't be afraid. While I am still burning, we can relight the other 3 candles. I am hope. Never leave the hope, my dear friends. If you have hope, you can become champion and reach your goals. Friends, I am showing you the images of achievers, champions. మీరు వాళ్ళు గుర్తుపడితే గట్టిగా వాళ్ళ పేరు చెప్పాలి. అది ఇక్కడ మీకు అంత గట్టిగా చెప్తారో చూస్తాను నేను. ఓకే, అబ్రహం లింకన్, సర్దార్ పటేల్, yeah, don't worry, Einstein, yeah, Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Ellen Mitchell, Jaggi Tata, Dhirubhai Ambani, Narayan Murthy, Nelson Mandela, South Africa, Martin Luther King Jr., Sunita Williams, Bill Gates, Ford, Henry Ford, Mother Teresa, GMR, proud of Andhra Pradesh, Mukesh Ambani, Dr. Anji Reddy, Anil Ambani, Ajit Reddy, Adi Godrej, Ratan Tata, Kumar Mandram Deta, Indira Gandhi, the first powerful woman in the world. Sana Gandhi. Abhinav Bindra, Michael Phelps, who won 8 gold medals in Olympics. All of you, my dear friends, thank you. My cell number is 9885388811 and my email ID is ravuppala@gmail.com. I would like to have half minute. It's my habit to collect the feedback. I am not collecting feedback. I want genuine feedback. How many of you felt that my 30 minutes program is excellent? Please raise your hand. Thank you. How many of you feel it's very good? People who are not raised their hand for excellent, please raise. Very good. How many feel it's good? How many of you feel that it's less than satisfactory? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is...
I request Gampa Nageshwar Rao. No, we in FAPC we had decided to organize every Saturday 1 3 hours program. So I'm communicating to Nageshwar Rao. So if you can communicate to Nageshwar Rao, we can have programs on different subjects. Thank you. Federation of AP Channel.
బాలరెడ్డి గారిని సన్యాసరావు గారిని సత్కరించాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.